Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Doordash won't let me order. If you are encountering issue with the Doordash app on your Android device, follow these steps to resolve them. Clear app data. So first of all, launch your device's settings and then scroll down and tap on these apps. Go for this manage apps and then here search for Doordash, tap on it. And now go for this storage and you have to tap on this cache and tap on this clear data. You might also see delete depending on your device and then tap on this clear cache and clear data. After clearing the data, you will be logged out of the Doordash application. To continue using it, log back in with your Doordash username and password. If the problem persists, try the following general troubleshooting steps for both iOS and Android. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try turning off and on your phone's Wi-Fi. Disable airplane mode. Make sure your device is not in aeroplane mode, as this can affect connectivity. Temporarily disable Wi-Fi and use cellular data instead. This might improve app connectivity. Restart your phone, restart your device to refresh its setting and connections. If none of the method works, then uninstall the Doordash app, wait for 3 to 5 seconds and reinstall it. If you are not connected to Wi-Fi, note that installing the app will use data. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve common issues with the Doordash app. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Doordash app support for further assistance. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.